Hello guys. Good morning po. So today's ulam is kalderetang kambing. So ito po yung ulam natin ngayong umaga is kalderetang kambing. Kung sino mahilig sa kambing dyan, ito po, it is my own version of kalderetang kambing.